Hello everyone, I'm my humble self Chukwuka Obelago, and in this video I just want to show you guys my testimonial after after having my send body turned on. Okay, I've successfully found some people who are willing to partner with me in the 50-50 commission setup of the Kringle Cash. Okay, the Kringle Cash system, where they refer people to me because I have a send button and I'm a trusted seller to buy TBC from me, and in return I pay them either in Naira, in Bitcoin, or with TBC. So I've successfully done two transactions, okay, from one single partner. So he ended up having $100 in his pocket as his commission. Okay, so as you can see, this is my wallet. So this is the transaction. Let me zoom. All right, so this is the transaction, and it confirmed it very fast. Okay, it confirmed very fast. Okay, you need to have the patience when you're requesting for your new wallet address. Okay, it takes 24 hours for that to happen. Now after 24 hours and you have the new wallet address of the buyer or of the referred person, you will go ahead and send the TBC equivalent of the amount they are purchasing. For example, each of these two persons purchased $100 worth of TBC, $100 worth of TBC each. Okay, they purchased $100 worth of TBC each, and in return I gave them the equivalent in TBC. Okay, I did that early this morning before 1 o'clock, that the value of TBC changed. Okay, so I did it this morning. So it was with Fiji time is 7 hours ahead of us. Okay, so that means every 1 o'clock here every 1 o'clock in the afternoon, okay, the value of TBC changes. Okay, changes in value. Okay, so what I did was to use the value I saw for USD, okay, and use it to convert to $100 by dividing the $100 with the value of TBC for early this morning. Okay, and that was how I got the amount, and I did the transaction. Okay, the moment I did the transaction didn't take long. It didn't take up to more than 10 minutes to confirm on this current coin network. So things are moving fast. I want to thank the TBC admin for everything he has done to make sure that he stuck to his word, that he didn't abandon us during the tough times, despite the fact that we have trolls and naysayers amongst us and people who don't understand cryptocurrency, journey for the wrong reason, and when they don't understand the process it takes to get to where we are heading, they start complaining and whining like babies. Okay, so this is my evidence that TBC is really working, and this is my evidence that I've made some cool $100 this morning, okay, from carrying out this transaction. I'll be doing more videos as I carry out as I have more people buying TBC from me, and I'll be showing you my own testimony, so that you guys will understand that this system, when you follow this system, if you have a send button and you follow this system, this is going to work for you. Okay, so this is my show me the money video. Okay, so if you are a new person and you're watching this video and you want to buy TBC, okay, there's a link below. There's a link to my website chukwukobelago.com where you can buy your TBC from. Okay, fill out the form and you will get an email with instructions within 24 hours. Okay, then if you are looking to partner with me and you don't have a send button, or you don't have enough TBC, but you're looking for someone who has more than enough TBC to go around, you can contact me by joining my WhatsApp group, and I will do a short presentation for you to understand what the process is. Okay, now also, if you are looking for a way to increase your TBC without having to spend a dime, okay, you can also join me in my 50-50 commission WhatsApp group, so that when you refer someone to buy TBC from me, I can in return pay you with TBC or fiat currency if you decide. Okay, but if I pay you TBC, automatically you still have more TBC. Or the shortest cut to it for you to get one full TBC in cookie rewards is for you to purchase $100 worth of TBC from me, a trusted seller. And automatically, when you verify the transaction through the Kringle Cash option, okay, I know there's a video. I'll find a way to post the video for you, for those who have made a payment and want the payment to reflect for their cookie reward. Okay, so when you see verify the payment, the transaction, and the buyer and the seller, confirms that this transaction actually went through, okay, you will get your cookies. Your cookies by redemption in May will be 1 TBC. Okay, that's 1 full TBC, and you all know that 1 full TBC upon maturity will be worth €1 billion. Okay, so that's it, folks. If you don't have the Billion Coin app, go and download it below. Also, there's a link below for Android, for Apple users or iOS users, okay, so that you can download the web app of the Billion Coin app. Okay, so to come your way next time, I remember myself, Chukwuka Obelago, and I'm asking you to join me so that I can show you how to make some real money. Okay, take care. Bye for now.